Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Google Meet, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you set a custom background in your Google Meet? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to set a custom background in your Google Meet anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, maybe you're doing your sales calls or your meetings through Google Meet, maybe you want to set your brand or something related to your business as your background. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Google Meet. This will be in the actual call itself. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. I've already opened up a Google meeting, so this is a live meeting. It's only me in here. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on my camera. I apologize. It's going to be kind of weird because I'm going to be down here and I'm going to be in front. So I'm going to turn on the camera. Okay, so now you can see my background kind of blurred out here in the back. And if you want to customize this, you're going to click on these three dots here on the bottom right. Once you do that, click on background and effects. Okay, so there's a couple of different ways you can customize this. So I have mine blurred. So we can go ahead and turn that off and you can see my actual background. And you can do a light blur. So it's going to be slightly visible. You can do a full blur. So it's going to be really not too easy to see. And then you can also choose from these other backgrounds that are automatically there. So like there's some books. Looks like this is kind of like a high-rise tower. But if you want to customize it, you can click right here and then add your own personal background. So I'm going to go ahead and click here and then choose something from my computer. So I like tacos. So I went ahead and grabbed a picture of tacos and you can see that's behind me. And then even when we're in the call, we can go ahead and change that again. Okay, so I changed it to some other tacos. So you can see where this might be kind of useful. Let me go ahead and turn off my camera. Okay, so now that we have those custom backgrounds here, as I'm talking through my meeting, I can switch in between these. So maybe this one's going to be carnitas tacos. So maybe during my meeting or my sales call, I'm talking about carnitas tacos. So I can go ahead and choose this one. And then if we switch over to chicken tacos, I can go ahead and choose this as my background. It just kind of emphasizes the point that I'm making on my Google Meet. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to customize your background in your Google Meet, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.